Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing and taking a look at the X-Men Bell V2 Pyraminx. Let's get right on to the unboxing. So it comes in this black box, like all the X-Men puzzles. There's a hole over here and then you just pull that out to open this box, and then that's useless. On the top cover you get a screwdriver. How do you take this out? Oh, this is so difficult. We'll take a look at deep in the screwdriver because there's cool stuff in it. We'll take a look at that. You get the Pyraminx itself, and this thing fell off. I think it's supposed to go over here. Oh no. What the heck? I think it's supposed to go. Wait guys, this is actually hard. Okay, yeah, it just goes like that. Here's the pyramid. Sorry guys. Oh wow. Okay. And then is there anything in here? Yeah, there is. Okay. That's stupid. So you do get some extra magnets, which I'll show why there are in just a second. Put that right there. And then there are some cards and a tutorial. So probably not going to look at this. And there's some information about who created this cube. Things about adjustable magnets, but in Chinese. So no one knows about that. And yeah, same thing. So I'm going to tell you guys all about it later. So let's look at the screwdriver first. The screwdriver is special because you can take the tips off. Now, the pre-installed tip is for the adjustable magnets on the edges. So over here, which we'll talk into later. And then you can take the back piece out. So it goes in like that, magnetically. If you take it out, and if you still don't want this tape, like you just want a plain, you can just put that over. I think that's how it goes. No, it doesn't. Wait, what? Then why is there an extra magnet over here? I'm sufficiently confused. But that's okay. There are some extra tips, which is a bigger Phillips head screwdriver. This is like a smaller Phillips head screwdriver. A bigger Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and this I'm curious of, because I really don't know what this is. That's okay, I'll check that after. But we can just put that. Oh, now I know. This magnet is supposed to attract over this magnet. Okay, that's how. So I have to put it like that. Oh my god, this is actually so hard. Okay. Yeah, I think that goes like that. I'll put the screwdriver here. Let's look at the cube itself. So there's some lubricant on it, and yeah, there's some lubricant, so it's getting oily. Okay, so there's some spring noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, there's a lot of spring noise, which can be easily fixed with some lubricant. But let's get started on to the first turns. I've never turned a Pyraminx, so don't judge me. And wow, that's actually pretty good. The tip magnets are not that strong, in my opinion, which we can adjust, so that's no big deal. But yeah, it does. Yeah. Let's look at the adjustable magnets. Right, let's take the screwdriver that we had. Now this is going to be hard for the camera, but let me try to do as best as possible because the lubricant is just shining so much. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a negative, a circle, and then a plus, and then there's an arrow pointing at the circle. I'll just try to show you guys. Come on, focus. And if you just put the screwdriver in there, and if you turn it to the, what the heck, why is it so hard? Wait guys, if you just turn it to the counterclockwise, it will go to the weakest setting. Wait, it did or it didn't? I'm sufficiently confused. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this. Sorry guys. Now it's pointing towards the negative sign, and let's do it for all the magnets. But yeah, it doesn't feel that good because it kind of feels like non-magnetic now. Let me try it on strong magnets now. Okay, so that actually feels... Is that even strong? Yeah, it is. But why does it feel weak? Or maybe it's just a Pyraminx. I've never tried a Pyraminx, so I cannot judge it to anything. And let's talk about the tip magnets now. So what you want to do is just take a tip and just pull it out like that, and then just pull out the other magnets, the other tips. So that can be just done. Oh, whoa. Sorry guys. Why is my tripod is just falling off? Oh wow, that's... Why isn't this coming out? Okay. So as you can see, there are magnets over here. How you can make this stronger is with the extra magnets that you had. So let me just take that out. Let me do some quick maths. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 magnets. And how many do we have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there are 12 magnets. And this is getting out of focus so badly. So I think you can put one magnet on each of them to make it stronger. Why is it actually pretty strong? Okay. I'll just put the pieces back down. I think this is just some lubricant. Alright, so let's try to scramble this up, because you might think I'm doing some finger tricks or something. If you haven't tried Pyraminx, I definitely would recommend you to. I'm just really bad at this, so I've really done no Pyraminx in my whole entire life. I think it's... Yeah, I think it's just... I purely think it's a spring noise. Yeah, it's a spring noise for sure. Let's try to solve this. I don't know how to approach this, but I think I can do like a layer. Wait a second. Did I do the color scheme wrong? I think I did. What the heck? I'm actually pretty confused now. Okay, so I think I'll go with the blue layer over here. But this tip needs to go over here, so how can I bring that there? What the heck? I'm actually pretty confused. Okay, so I can bring that edge in here, I guess. I think this is called an edge. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. And then this can just go over here. Okay, so I've made the first layer now. I don't know what to do now. Okay, so I can do something like this. And then it's like a sledgehammer. Oh wow, that I was not expecting this. This is solved. Overall, this is actually a pretty good puzzle. I think you just need like some lubricant after to solve reduce the spring noise on this cube, but overall this is actually a pretty good puzzle.